There is no Bluetooth, no wireless connection, just your feet. If you perform close-up magic seated and solo by yourself, your hands will usually be busy with handling cards and your props, and of course audience interaction. Sometimes, if you need music to accompany some part of your performance, you don't have the luxury of an assistant to help you control your music. There are many music controllers out there that rely on Bluetooth connection, apps, and software. But you might not want to deal with your phone, wireless connection, or even a handheld remote control. Now this is the Beacon Magic Music Controller, produced by Beacon Magic Lab. This is a way to control your music, and it is as straightforward as it gets. And it is priced at $99 US. It comes in this box with a sleeve. Once you open the lid, you do get a tutorial link, but it just leads you to the written instructions, which you also get in the box. It also comes with a micro SD card and a card reader, so you can store and transfer your music files. This means you are pretty much ready to go out of the box. Next up, we have the main music controller unit, which we will take a look at later. You get a USB-C charging cable. Then we have the foot pedals or foot switches. You get 3 of them. Now here we take a look at the music controller itself. It measures approximately 10 centimeters by 5.5 centimeters by 3.5 centimeters. This is the small built-in speaker. There are some control buttons on the front. There is a play pause button. This button here lets you loop a single track or play the tracks in sequence. This button here lets you go to the previous song or track, and you can also long press to decrease the volume. This next button skips to the next track, and long pressing this increases the volume. You get the on and off switch at the bottom here. This is where your micro SD card goes, and these are where the foot switches are connected. On the side is the battery indicator, and also the USB-C charging port. On the opposite side, you get a 3.5mm output jack, where you can connect this to a larger portable speaker system if you wish. Now, unlike a lot of those music controllers that rely on Bluetooth, apps, or some software, this one is completely self-contained. There is nothing to pair, there are no apps, and there are no wireless connection setups. You just load your music onto a micro SD card, plug it in, and you are ready to go. Everything is controlled with your feet. The Beacon Music Controller gives you 3 foot pedals or switches, and the controls are similar to the buttons. The middle pedal lets you play and pause the track. The left pedal lets you go back to the previous track, and you can long hold it to decrease the volume. The right pedal lets you skip to the next track, and you can long hold it to increase the volume. The Beacon Music Controller just plays the music files in sequence from the micro SD card. There are no playlists to manage in any software. You just need to name your music files in sequence, in the order you want, and you're ready to go. The built-in speakers are actually quite decent for a small room. Now, if you are performing close-up magic in a room, seated at a table, or maybe even in a parlor setting, it is sufficient. As mentioned previously, you can connect it to a larger portable speaker system via the 3.5mm headphone jack if you wish. Now, one thing to note is there is an audible click when you step on the foot switch. Now, personally, I don't think that that is a deal breaker. In a performance setting where there's music playing and stuff going on, it is not going to be an issue, and you are not really hiding the fact that you are stepping on a foot pedal to control the music. And realistically, you will be placing this unit under the table out of sight anyway. Now, usually you will pack something like this in your gig case to bring along to your show venues. It all packs nicely in the box it comes in. This is a support item, so there is no setup and reset or anything like that. Now, worth mentioning again, this just plays the tracks in sequence. It won't skip from track 2 to track 7 and vice versa. Now, this is fine for linear acts where one track follows the other. But if you need complex cueing, this is not for you. This is for those more structured magic shows where you already know what comes up next. The battery life stated is about 12 hours, but I have not tested it. Now, the way I see it, this is not trying to compete with more high-tech systems. This is for performers who just want something simple, reliable, and instant. There will be no software crashes to deal with, zero latency, and zero connection issues. Just press it, and it works. If you need connection to your iPad, or you need connection to Spotify or Apple Music or anything like that, or have very complex music queue stacks, this is not for you. Overall, it does have its drawbacks, but I think this is a useful and very practical tool, especially for close-up performers and if you perform seated and in a small venue. It is not flashy, but it gets the job done. There is no Bluetooth, no wireless connection, just your feet. The Bacon Magic music controller is available on baconmagic.shop. I would like to thank Bacon Magic for sending this to me so that I can tell you about it. Do you think you would use something like this? Or what music controllers do you use in your shows? Let me know in the comments below. Here are some other reviews for you to watch next. Subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next video.